Got yourself in a vehicle accident? Don't you worry. Here are the steps for cashless motor vehicle claim settlement process. Start by taking your damaged vehicle to a registered network garage of IndusInd General Insurance. Here, the garage will intimate your claim through their portal. The insured person will then receive an SMS with a claim number. Afterward, the garage person will upload documents required from the customer and vehicle photo and initiate the call for video streaming. Or, a surveyor will do a physical visit within 24 hours and check the required documents. If all is okay, the surveyor will survey the vehicle and provide the approval for repair work. In case of a survey through video streaming, an IndusInd General Insurance technical executive will verify the documents, survey the vehicle, and provide the approval. Post-repair work, the garage will submit pre-invoice to the surveyor for assessment. And post-assessment, the surveyor will generate the delivery order. The customer then can get vehicle delivery by paying only the difference amount to the garage as per the delivery order. Note: during the entire process, the claim status will be Claim Under Process. You can also track the claim status on IndusInd Insurance app. Check out the required documents you need to complete a hassle-free claim process. After claim intimation, you will receive an SMS with a bit.ly link where you can now fill the claim form digitally, that is, e-claim form. So enjoy hassle-free cashless claim settlement anytime across 11,000 plus network garages with IndusInd General Insurance.
IndusInd General Insurance, now with a better experience.
For more details, visit IndusIndinsurance.com or contact your insurance advisor today.